Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie and today we are going to do another Snackcrate unboxing. So let's go ahead and see what country we will be trying today. Ta-da! Ooh, Ukraine. I've never been to Ukraine before, so this is exciting. Okay, confession, I will say that some snacks have been eaten by my husband. So they're open, but I have yet to try and react to them. So just want to put that out there again. But let's go ahead and look at the packaging. Ukraine. Here are some facts about Ukraine. And let's learn a little bit something about this beautiful country. All right, home to over 41 million people and covering more than 233,000 square miles, Ukraine is the second largest country in Europe. Thanks to a unique geographical location, Ukraine is overflowing with a long and rich history. Withstanding events like the Russian Civil War and World War I and II, Ukraine was often involved in the action because of its ties to the Soviet Union. Shortly after its annexation, the country earned the nickname the breadbasket of Europe as its fertile lands grew most of the grain that continued to feed Soviet citizens. Okay, I have heard about this event before. It is in 1986. Ukraine experienced a devastating event when a nuclear power plant called Chernobyl exploded. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. If you don't know what Snackcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box where you receive snacks from all over the world. Like last time, I actually did one about Sweden, so you can go ahead and check that up here. Also, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I just want to put that out there. I just love eating and I love snacks from all parts of the world. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I see here, so this one is called the Salute Corn Sticks. This all-natural puffed corn snack is loaded with a savory sour cream and dill flavoring. Okay, so it's like sweet and sour. Love that flavor. One of my favorites. Ooh, it looks like a Cheeto Puff. Okay. I don't taste the sour cream and dill flavor. It just tastes like a sweet corn puff, which I personally love. I love a sweet corn puff. And I also love puff chips in general. I love a Cheeto Puff. It's good. It's really good. All right, the next one is called Flint. And it's Flint Croutons. These baked wheat rye croutons are kneaded according to a secret recipe and are combined with a special crab flavoring. I love crabs. Crabs are one of my favorite meals or favorite meats. So let's see. Has a nice crunch to it. I love a good crunch. And it's very cheesy. I can taste the cheddar cheese on top of it. So honestly, this will be good. I'm actually gonna eat some crab cakes either today or tomorrow. Maybe with some salad on the side. So I'll put this on top of the salad. It'll be really delicious. 7 out of 10. This is the next one. It is called Potato Boom. This one's in English. Just looks like the original sticks with ketchup flavor. Wow, ketchup flavor. I've never had that before. But this is basically just crispy potato sticks are baked to perfection and coated with a generous amount of salt and vinegar. Okay. Let's try this. I do love ketchup. Also, it says here, not fried in oil. Oh my gosh. This is my new favorite one. It tastes just like ketchup. I cannot stop eating this. Also, I'm loving just the ketchup flavor. It hits different. Is that how you use the term? I don't know, but it's so good. I love it. I would give this a 10 out of 10. And it's only 25 grams. Is that a lot? I don't know, but wow. This will be my new favorite snack from now on. Wow, I love it. Okay, finally, we are up to the Sweets now my favorite portion of any meal. Let's go ahead and try Crisco. It looks like it's licorice though, right? Like it's black. It looks kind of creepy and like black. But one thing about me is that I actually love artificial colored flavoring or artificial colors in my food. Very strange, I know it's not good for you, but I'm so attracted to that look. Like I love colored cupcakes, frosting, anything with different colors, like rainbow sorbet, I love. So let's go ahead and try this black little tube. You know, my husband said it tasted like chocolate, but I don't taste the chocolate, honestly. It says here, loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Get your day started with this crispy cereal tube loaded with sweet cream. So it's not chocolate, I don't think. It doesn't say it's chocolate, so it just says it's black. I don't know like what it specifically tastes like. I do taste the sweet cream inside. I do enjoy it. It kind of gives me matcha vibes. It tastes like matcha. Also, I'm kind of surprised because this is like what you eat for breakfast, but it's very sweet. It seems like it's not good for breakfast. But yeah, I do enjoy this a lot. A very unique and new flavor for me, I would say. Also, ignore the alcohol in the back. My husband loves to make like mixed cocktails and drinks, but that's why we have a lot. Anyway, all right, this one looks more like a wafer. It's called Arctic Waffles, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. All right, so I have my tea now in my really cute cup. It says keep growing. So this is an invitation to get some tea, relax, and have some sweets. So we're gonna have some of my raspberry tea, try this wafer, and let's see how it tastes. So this has a hazelnut chocolate flavor, of course, as you can see. It tastes very rich, a little bit of cream inside. And I would say that this does taste a lot better than like an American wafer. And I think it has also a little bit of coffee flavor in it too. I can see some coffee beans on the wrapper. And yeah, I love it, it's delicious, but of course, it's Europe, they have amazing chocolate in general. What can I say? Delicious, I love it. Our next one looks like an Oreo cookie. And this one is called Super Contact Lemon Filling. All right, is lemon popular in Ukraine? Let me know, because this is very unusual in America. We usually wouldn't have chocolate and lemon together. So, let me get my delicious tea and dip it in. Usually, actually in America, you would have this with milk. But I have tea right now, so that's okay. That was really good. I mean, anything with Oreo flavored, anything with cream filling, I just love, you know, it was really good. I would say I do prefer a normal like white cream in the middle than lemon. But yeah, it was still definitely really good. I also prefer more of like an Oreo, like American branded Oreo, the cookie instead of this one. It just tastes a little bit different, but it's still delicious. And Oreos are just my favorite kind of cookie. They're my favorite flavor. I love Oreo ice cream, Oreo cake, Oreo everything. So I give this a 10 out of 10. All right, this one is called Timmy, and it looks like it's banana flavored chocolate wafer as well. So let's go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. I love banana flavor too. This just like brings me back to when I had like a banana Kit Kat from Japan. I just love anything banana flavor as well. I love banana pudding, banana ice cream, banana bread. Anything banana I love except for the actual fruit. I don't like bananas as actual healthy fruit, but the artificial banana I love. This is super delicious. I love it. Good job, Timmy. I love it. Well, they seem to love their wafers in Ukraine. This is another one. Another wafer chocolate. This one is called Erosion Lazy Cow. A delightfully crispy vanilla wafer sandwich with sweetened condensed milk cream and coated in rich milk chocolate. Wow, everything I love, everything I dream of in life. Condensed milk, I love cooking condensed milk with like everything, like milk. Ooh, Vietnamese coffee has condensed milk in it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Let's get my tea. good, but it's nothing special, to be honest. I mean, the chocolate has good quality, but honestly, it's just like wafer with milk chocolate. That's not my usual go-to chocolate bar flavor. I'd give this like a 5 out of 10. You know, it's not my favorite. It's chocolate, and I love chocolate, and I love vanilla. Can't complain too much about that flavor. Okay, this looks like it's a Ukrainian brand, but it's called Erosion. That was basically the brand of like the 2 other chocolates. So it's Erosion dark chocolate. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't like dark chocolate. I really don't. I feel like I'm an adult. I feel like I'm the only adult in the world that doesn't like dark chocolate. It's a very sophisticated flavor. It's very rich. It's good for you. But I just never like dark chocolate. I don't know why. Do you? You like it? Oh my gosh, I don't like it at all. But you know what? We have to try it anyway. Maybe I'll like the Ukrainian dark chocolate. So it says Erosion. You would like this one. I think you'd like it a lot. It's dark chocolate with filling. It's not bad, you know, it's like not horrible, but I would prefer milk chocolate just because it's sweeter, it has the milky consistency, and I just didn't really grow up eating dark chocolate. So I would give this a 6 out of 10 because it's still good, but it's not my favorite. I think I forgot to eat this one, and this one's actually not a sweet one. This is called the Big Bob, not the Big Blob. I think I saw that earlier. It's called the Big Bob, and I think it's wasabi flavor with some peanuts in the middle. So we're gonna have to actually mix and match the sweet and the salty and spicy. But let's see what it tastes like. It looks very cute. It's a green ball. Okay. This I love because it reminds me of sushi. I love sushi. I love mixing my wasabi with my soy sauce, and it kind of gives me these vibes. So I do like it. It's a good snack to have. All right, we have 2 candies left. These ones are little. I'm gonna try this one right over here. This one is a fruit chewy snack. So let's go ahead and try it. It's green flavor. It's like a gusher. It tastes like a gusher if the candy didn't get stuck to your teeth. So it has that same flavor, the same amount of sweetness, the delicious, you know, little fruit jelly in the middle, but it's like it doesn't get stuck to your mouth, to your teeth, so it's not annoying at all. I love this so much. It's very chewy and it's cute too. I love the packaging. That one was probably one of my favorite candies so far. This one is a Coca-Cola flavored hard candy, and I think it also says Fizzy Boom on it, so it should taste like a soda. Okay, I just sucked on it because I don't really like hard candies. Like, I feel like it's bad for my teeth, but the flavoring was good, you know, sucking on it tasted like lollipop. Delicious. All right, everyone, that was it. I hope you all enjoyed the Ukrainian snacks. I really did. I, of course, loved all the chocolates, all the gummies, all the sweets more than the savory, but that's just me. If you're interested in Snackcrate, I'll go ahead and put a link down below. I believe for your first box, it's only around $15 to try a snack from a different part of the world. So I would say, why not, you know, just try at least one box, see what it tastes like. We'll see what a different part of the world tastes like, and maybe even as a gift for someone as well. So I'll leave the links down below. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. I love you all so much. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all, and keep exploring the world, everyone. Bye. I love tea.